Sunday's Capital City Indy race belongs to Marcus Jones.
Look at that. I'd love to ride that. Love boats. Yo.
Hey, Mike. It's me.
Yo, babe. How's America?
It's pretty great. Anyway, listen, Mike. The past few months with you have been really great. Honestly, we've had some really chill times.
Dude, so true. Remember when Big Red took us down the lake and we threw those empty beer cans at the fish?
Yes, Mike. I remember you doing that. It was literally a week ago. I just don't think I can keep up with this whole long-distance relationship thing.
Babe, wait, don't worry. I'll come to you.
No, Mike, you won't. You don't have a passport. Anyway, I think it's best if we just leave it at the good times we've had and go our separate ways.
Baby, please. I love you. Babe.
Goodbye, Mike.
Anywhere. Hey, I'm here for the boat. No, I need it. It's supposed to take me anywhere. Do you have another one?
Hey, that guy just stole my boat.
Oh no.
What, you don't care? I'd like to speak to your father, Missy.
So do I. He's not here. You're 15 years too late.
Mike, what do you want?
Listen, babe, I'm coming to America. I'll be there tomorrow.
Firstly, do you even understand what a passport is? Secondly, do you even remember what city I'm in? Do you even know how large America is?
Listen, babe, don't worry. I have a plan.
Mike, whatever your shitty plan is, don't do it. This is the real world and not
Shit, something happened. BRB, babe. Love you. See you soon.
Loser.
Dude. I need another boat.
Does this look like a Walmart?
Wow, can I at least get my money back then?
Spend it.
How did you... What the... You know what, never mind. It's me.
Mike,
Listen, babe, I'll be there in a few hours.
how the hell do you expect to get here without a passport?
I built a boat.
You know you live in Canada, right?
Yeah, babe, I think I know where I live.
Where are you right now?
The waterfront. I'm about to leave.
Mike, for fuck's sake, don't get on that boat. Hey, it's Stacy. I'm single and ready to mingle. I'm not here right now, but I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Hey, babe. Looks like it's gonna take a little longer than I expected. But I'll be there soon. Don't worry. Oh shit, this guy's so dedicated. Okay, we're good.
You're good.
Hold on, I'll help him. Start recording.